Everyone expects the Land Cruiser name to mean bulletproof reliability and go-anywhere toughness, but the biggest surprise after real ownership miles is how this hybrid setup quietly transforms everyday driving costs and trail confidence without sacrificing that legendary grit. What no one tells you up front is the hidden edge it gives you over pricier rivals in long-term peace of mind. Hey folks, welcome back to AeroNext Auto. Today, we're diving deep into the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser, the reborn icon that's got everyone talking about capability meeting modern hybrid smarts. Stick around, because we're breaking down what it's really like to live with one, from trails to grocery runs, and whether that famous Toyota toughness still holds up. Imagine pulling up to a trailhead. The front end hits you first with that bold, heritage-inspired grille stamped Toyota in big letters, flanked by rectangular LED headlights that give it a purposeful, no-nonsense stare. The hood flows with clean, muscular lines, while those athletic fender flares and squared-off mirrors scream classic Overlander vibes. Roll along the side, and the proportions feel balanced. Strong wheel arches house rugged wheels, leading to a squared rear with signature horizontal taillights that light up in a crisp, modern pattern. It's tough, timeless, and ready to disappear into the wilderness. Step inside, and the cabin wraps you in practical luxury. The dashboard is clean and driver-focused, dominated by an available 12.3-inch touchscreen that floats above intuitive physical controls. The digital gauge cluster ahead is customizable and sharp, with quality materials like soft-touch surfaces and available synthetic leather. Seats are supportive for long hauls, ambient lighting sets a calm mood, and there's generous headroom and legroom for 5, comfortable enough for family adventures without feeling cramped. Tech keeps things connected. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto stream your world seamlessly, while Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 brings adaptive cruise, lane tracing, and pre-collision braking. Available JBL audio fills the space with clear sound, and features like a wireless charger plus USB-C ports make daily life effortless. Under the hood, the iForce Max Hybrid delivers 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque from a turbo 2.4L four-cylinder and electric motor. It surges forward with smooth, instant torque, quick off the line, confident passing power on highways. Full-time 4WD with locking diffs and crawl control makes trails feel planted, while the ride stays composed and steering precise, blending off-road grit with on-road refinement. EPA estimates hit 22 city, 25 highway, 23 combined MPG, impressive for a capable 4x4. Real-world range hovers around 300 to 350 miles on the 17.9-gallon tank, with efficient hybrid assist shining on mixed drives and long trips, feeling manageable. Ownership reality? Toyota's legendary durability shines. Low maintenance expectations, strong resale, and that hybrid reliability edge keep costs down over time. It's built for daily usability with serious trail chops. Pricing starts at about $57,200 for the 1958 trim, climbing to $63,275 plus for the loaded Land Cruiser, with packages pushing higher. Great value against luxury off-roaders, especially with potential incentives. Final verdict? Yes, the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser is absolutely worth it if you want authentic capability, surprising efficiency, and Toyota's unbeatable long-term ownership surprise without breaking the bank. It's perfect for adventurers who demand reliability first. What do you think? Would this be your next rig? Drop your thoughts below, smash that like if this helped, and subscribe to AeroNext Auto for more real automotive breakdowns. See you on the next one.